Hello and welcome to AP United States History. My name is Doug Pereira and I've been teaching AP US History for over 10 years and am going into my 25th year of teaching. In terms of my information you see here, I want to point out two things in particular. You can easily reach me through Brave Square to search for Doug Pereira when you message me. And then office hours. Students are highly encouraged to meet me for office hours when they have questions, when they want a conference on essays, and so on. Our class time is on B days 12:58. I ask that students log in a little bit before that with cameras on so that I can do attendance. The course itself is divided into some historic time periods. And as an AP class, students can take the AP exam in May. It is optional. There's a registration and fee due in November, and you should hear from the school about that. Students should get familiar with the four parts of the exam. We're going to work on a lot of the skills they need for the exam as we move forward. I would stress that this course, for me, is about developing college level habits and skills, historical thinking skills, and a deeper understanding of United States history. That's my primary goal. Doing well on the AP exam and getting college credit is a secondary goal for me. If you get that, that's great, but I would like you to be able to walk away from this course better prepared for college level of study. Students must take the New York State Regents exam at the end of the year as well in June as part of a New York State requirement. So there's one exam they have to take and one that they could choose to take. You can see here our grading expectations. I would like to point out on the essays and projects category that students are very welcome to conference with me in office hours, and then they can rewrite anything they didn't do as well on and get a better grade for it. So I really encourage those office hours to do that. Assignments and seminars, we will do a lot of that in class as we meet at least 2 times a week. And students can work on those things as well in Schoology, and that's where I want to take you next. If you go to our Schoology page, the links are pretty straightforward. Anytime a student makes an appointment or they're logging in for class, they will use this Zoom link to get there. The AP Classroom is a tool designed by the College Board that provides a number of resources to review. I will often assign from there. All the students are registered there already, and they should know how to use it. Every week, we'll have a weekly folder that will have the assignments for the week and due dates. So students can use that to kind of keep track and manage their time well. Resources folder has a number of things. I would point out I do record my hybrid classes. So if there's something you missed in our virtual class, you can check out things from the hybrid class. And it's really up to students to explore these links and check them out. And lastly, at the end of each week, I put that week into the previous assignments folder. So if you got a few days behind, you can go back and look for that. That is AP US History in a nutshell. Please reach out to me if you have any questions.